In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money through MoneyGram and have it deposited into your card or account. To get started, open your web browser and sign in to your MoneyGram account. Make sure you're using the correct website and that your internet connection is stable, since this helps avoid errors while loading your account details. Once you're signed in, take a moment to confirm that you're in the right dashboard area before moving on. Next, go to your account settings and link your debit card or bank account. This is the part that allows MoneyGram to know where your funds should be sent once a transfer is available. As you enter your payment or banking details, double check everything carefully. Even a small typo can cause delays or prevent the deposit from going through properly. If the platform asks you to verify the account or card, follow the on-screen instructions and wait until the connection is confirmed before continuing. After that, share your legal name and your reference number with your sender. It's important that the legal name matches the one on your MoneyGram account, because mismatched information can slow things down or create verification issues. The reference number helps the sender connect the transfer correctly, so make sure you provide it accurately. If you're copying and pasting any information, review it once more before sending it. Once the sender has completed the transfer, keep an eye out for an incoming transfer notification. If you're prompted with a delivery option, choose deposit to card. This tells the system that you want the money sent directly to the linked card or account instead of using another receive method. Be sure to read the prompt carefully so you select the correct option, especially if more than one delivery method appears. Finally, wait for the system to automatically clear the funds into your balance. In many cases, this happens without any extra action from you, but processing times can vary depending on the transfer details, the card issuer, or your bank. It's a good idea to refresh your account or check your balance periodically, rather than repeating the process unnecessarily. And that's it. Once the transfer clears, your money should appear in your linked balance or destination account. Follow each part carefully, keep your information accurate, and the process should be smooth and straightforward.